Hello children, welcome to our virtual classroom. I'm your teacher Catherine. Today, our topic in English is about let's do sequencing. In this module, you will learn about sequencing events and make predictions and judgment in a story. After going through this module, you are expected to Number 1. Identify the meaning of the word sequence. Number 2. Sequence events in a story using a story train graphic organizer. Number 3. Make predictions and judgment about the story by answering the guide questions. And number 4. State the moral or lesson of the story. Did you know that everything has an order or sequence? The sequence is the order of things. The events or what happens in a story are told in an order called a sequence. It can help you figure out the correct order or sequence by looking for signal words like first, next, last, before, after, and finally. Children, do you like pancakes? Have you tried making some? Like this one? Today, we are going to read a wordless story, which means that you must look and observe the pictures carefully to follow the sequence and understand the story. Later, we will check how much you have understood by just simply looking and observing the characters, gestures, or actions in the pictures or illustrations. The following pictures below shows the sequence or the flow of the story entitled Pancakes for Breakfast by Tommy D. Paula. This is the first scene. Scene 2. Scene 3. Scene 4. Scene 5. Scene 6 and Scene 7. Scene 8 and Scene 9. Scene 10. Scene 11. Scene 12. Scene 13. Scene 14. Scene 15. Scene 16 and Scene 17. Scene 18 and Scene 19. Scene 20, and Scene 21. Scene 22. Scene 23. Scene 24. Scene 25. Scene 26 and Scene 27. Scene 28. Scene 29. And Scene 30. Did you understand the story? Did you like it? Let us check how much you have observed and understood. Let's start answering our comprehension questions. Number 1. Who are the characters? Your answer must be the lady, her pets, and neighbor. Number 2. What is the story all about? Your answer must be the lady who made pancakes for breakfast. Number 3. What did you learn from the story? Your answer must be, in this story, I learned that failure is not the reason to give up. Try and try until you succeed. Now, we're going to have an activity. Directions. Based on the story, Pancakes for Breakfast, sequence the events using the story train graphic organizer. These are the events in the story. Take time to read, children, and later we will answer the activity. Are you done, children? Now, let's start answering the activity. First one is the title. The title of the story is Pancakes for Breakfast by Tommy D. Paula. Next, event number 1. One morning, a lady wakes up and decides to make pancakes for breakfast. The first thing she does is to check the receipt. Next, event number 2. Next, she finds out that she does not have enough ingredients to make some pancakes. Next, event number 3. Then she goes to the barn to get some eggs, milks the cow, makes butter, and buys maple syrup from her neighbor to complete her ingredients. Next, event number 4. After she returns home, she gets disappointed seeing her pets with the butter and the broken eggs on the floor and spilled milk on the table. Next, event number 5. She almost lost hope not being able to eat pancakes. Suddenly, she smells something delicious from her neighbor's house. And the last one, event number 6. Finally, she goes to her neighbor's house and eats pancakes. Okay, that ends our lesson for today, class. Have a good day and thank you for watching.